Oh, good evening. Welcome to another very important session of my consultancy, Innovative Organization Development Consultancy. In this session, I will discuss last part of chapter 1, and this is regarding transition from knowledge plane to action plane. Well, this video is all about how you will traverse or transform from your knowledge plane into a more aggressive and action oriented plane, which is the action plane. But before moving on to the action plane, you have to develop yourself or you have to create your frame of mind, your thought process into a concretized structured model in structured path such that you are able to do a self mastery of your experience, knowledge, and expertise. And combining three, then you will achieve a level of mastery of tacit knowledge. Now, this mastery of tacit knowledge is such a progressive thing that it will elevate you to higher levels of creative thinking and transformation of that creative thinking into implementation. This is just the thing I am talking about when I am saying that transition from knowledge plane to action plane. In transition from this knowledge plane to the action plane, this one thing is working all the time, and that is your capability, that is your inherent transformed thought process, which is giving rise to creative type of thinking or critical thinking being applied again and again. What is this critical thinking or creative ideation is related to the particular frame of mind, the knowledge plane, and in the interaction of the frame of mind with the knowledge with the plane in which you are presently positioned in your immediate environment, and the interplay and of these two things and the resultant strategy, mental strategy that you would like to structure, the structuration process, the path process, the structuration in which you are transitioning or moving from one knowledge plane, from one frame of mind around a plane into another higher level plane with another frame of mind. So this structuration or structured strategy which you are using in conjunction with the frame of mind and the knowledge plane is helping you transition from this thing to action oriented behavior, and this is the key for self mastery of your knowledge, tacit knowledge, and tacit understanding. In these things, what is the result is that it is the transformation of the transformation of the individual into a kind of a knowledge processing behavior in which the person is highly channeled towards a specific uh, strategy which he or she has developed based on the interactions of the frames of mind and the knowledge plane in which the person was positioned in the immediate environment. Well, this is a very, I can say, a concept. I am proposing a concept in this. The concept is helping you, this concept, whatever I am telling, is helping you to understand the self mastery of the uh, creative thinking process or self mastery of your own knowledge. Creative thinking is your own knowledge. It is the critical thinking that you are applying in your everyday work, in your life, that is helping you progress and keep in sync with your immediate environment wherever you are positioned. This is the thing, critical thinking, that is acting as a catalyst in transforming your behavior from knowledge to action. And this critical thinking is using the knowledge search behavior, the knowledge search cycle, which is very much important to transform and to progress and to fuel this change into a actionable, implementable approach on your part. The moment you have identified your critical thinking in terms of your immediate environment wherever you're positioned, in that time you are utilizing the strategy, which is an amalgamation of that frame of mind in the knowledge plane, the strategy, and that strategy is transforming into knowledge behavior, into a knowledge seeking behavior. This is the knowledge seeking behavior, knowledge search cycle. This is the knowledge seeking behavior. So, what you do in every cycle of this knowledge seeking behavior, you are trying to refine your search, correlate with your past strategy, move, refine that strategy, move into a different realm again, and start your search all over again, and relate it with your refine and repeat and relate it with your immediate environment wherever you are positioned. This knowledge search behavior is critical for is very important for person to be a action oriented, implementable. I mean, if you are able to uh, utilize your creative thinking, critical skills into actionable, implementable things, then uh, that critical that strategy is working for you, and what it is doing is basically you are able to correlate with your immediate environment and positioning in that environment to seek information knowledge related to the particular frame of mind in that knowledge plane. How it, the knowledge plane the knowledge plane is a type of situation where you are in the middle of that case. For example, there is a case and you are in the middle of that case. What influences that case is the your creative thinking or the critical thinking, which is the thought process in that frame of mind, and then that interplay or intermixing of those two things, the frame of mind and the knowledge plane, is giving to rise to the strategy, which is the knowledge seeking behavior. And here it is type of a cycle that we are continuously referring to on and forth as we move ahead in each of these planes from one to the other to the next. These are like a stepwise ladder where you are climbing from one step to the other, and you are progressing into more higher and sophisticated frames of mind amongst the case or the knowledge plane that you are in immediate position, wherever your immediate position. So in this way, you can see in this last chapter of my this online knowledge management course that you are trying to explore this concept of frame of mind in conjunction with the knowledge plane, giving rise to strategy, and thereby you are trying to get a mastery. In doing this, as you climb up through the steps of the ladder, you are developing a type of a mastery of your uh, critical thinking, the particular case in which you are positioned in your immediate environment, and the strategies that have helped you refine your knowledge search or seeking behavior into more actionable, implementable skills that is making you more progressive, more uh, having more capabilities than people around you. So you have come to know the real keys, the 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 real keys. I mean the solutions to getting a getting a mastery of that self knowledge thing. I hope you have enjoyed this behavior, this session of my consultancy, and this in this my consultancy. In the next chapter, I will go further, providing insights about this course, and in this thing how you can delve deeper into the knowledge search cycle behavior, and transform the things around you in your life and around you. And as a result, towards the end of this course, towards chapter 10, you will see how that innovative uh, this innovative concept is innovation is has become more stronger in you day by day. This is a practical course, and it will help you refine and sharpen these three things, which is the knowledge plane, the frame of mind, and the strategy. So I am ending my video at this point. In my second chapter, I will take up further concepts in this knowledge search behavior. I hope you have enjoyed this thing, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.